Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a pretty easy shaker card using some dies and some vinyl from StyletechCraft. And these dies are from Pinkfresh, so they are layered dies. They can be used alone or together, but today I'm going to use them together this is the OPAL vinyl from StyleTech. This one is yellow, so as you can see, it goes from kind of a yellow to a pink. And then this one is pink, so it kind of goes from a gold to a pink. You can see that there. So those are the two colors I'm going to be using. Okay, so the first dye I'm going to use, this is from, like I said, Pinkfresh Studio, and this is the Fancy Floral 1 dye. So I'm going to detach that. There we go. Lay this into my system. Put the vinyl down on top of that. And then I'm going to run it through my Gemini Junior. And see, you just easily push out all the extra pieces. So there we go. The first piece is cut out, and then I'm going to repeat the same step using the Fancy Florals 2 and the pink vinyl. Now that I got both pieces cut out, there's the pink one and there is the yellow one. I'm just going to take a piece of acetate. Now this is from Judikins. They call it embossable plastic or window plastic, but it's basically just like an acetate, I think. So I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to peel the back off, but just a little bit. And just kind of fold it back like that. And then I'm going to take the acetate, line it right up to the edge. And push it down. And then just keep pulling a little bit back as I push it down as I go. There we go. So now the acetate is hooked to the back. So now I'm going to do the same with the other piece, but make sure that it is lined up correctly so you don't do it upside down. But what I'm going to do with this one is I have to lay it down on the front. So it's the same concept, but instead of pulling from the acetate, I'm going to be laying this down first. So there we go. So what's cool about using the acetate is these are pretty intricate dies, so now you don't have to worry about putting adhesive all onto the back of that and getting it to adhere to the acetate really well. All you have to do is just use the vinyl, which already has the adhesive on it, and just lay it right onto the acetate just like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some double-sided adhesive. I'm going to fold it in half, about the length of the card. and then cut it into thin strips. And then I'm just going to place these strips onto the back of the card, or the front, the vinyl I guess is what I should be calling it. Not vinyl. Acetate. I'll get my words right eventually. Now I'm just going to take my card front, and then these sequences, these are Rainbow Flower Blossoms by Cat Scrappiness. See those? Super cute. And I'm just going to add those into the middle here. And peel off the tape, or the backing to the adhesive. Line it up to the front of the card. And there you go. Super easy, quick way to make a shaker card. I decided I wanted to add a little bit more, so I added a Hello die sentiment from Poppystamps. This is their Brush Hello. You can see it, added it right there at the bottom, and then my card was complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you aren't already, and hit the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.